What's up, boys and girls? Welcome back for day 2 of statistics. Today we are discussing the median. The median is another measure of central tendency, just like the mean, because it is a way we can summarize a data set. Median, if you want to grab your notebooks and record the definition, is the middle number of a data set when values are arranged in order. So median, think the middle. The median of a road is the middle of the road. The median of a data set is the center of that data set. So take a moment, copy down your definition, and then we'll get ready to roll with a couple examples. All right, so the first data set, we want to calculate the median of 23, 45, 36, 41, 45, 28, 36, 35, 40, 52, and 37. So calculating the median, step 1, we need to order the data set from least to greatest. So if I'm looking at all these numbers, what is the least value in all of these? It looks like 23. I'm going to cross that out so I know I'm done with it. Next, after 23, looks like we have a 28 is the next least value. After 28, I don't see anything else in the 20s, so checking our 30s, looks like 35. And then 36, there are 2 of them, so we'll record both. And then we have a 37. Looks like 40 would be my next least value that I have not yet listed, followed by a 41. I've got 2 45s. And finally, the greatest value in the set, 52. All right, once your data is in order, step 2 is just find the median, which is the middle number. And I'm going to do that by marking out pairs and working my way into the middle. So 23 is the least value of the set, and 52 is the greatest value of that set. So I'm going to mark both of them off at the same time, and I like to connect them just to know, hey, I chopped the ends off at the same time. Moving inward now, the next least value is 28, and the next greatest value is 45. So they get chopped off together. Next, 35 and 45 are the next 2 to get removed. So I'm working my way in. In from 35 comes 36, and it gets paired with the 41. And then finally the 36 with the 40. And then in the middle, all alone, is 37. So the median of this data set is 37. Okay, example 2. Rather large data set, but we have to order it from least to greatest. So grab a sheet of paper and order this with me. Looking for the smallest value in this set. Looks like it's going to be 53. After 53, I don't see anything else in the 50s. Let's check here. 68, 65. I'm feeling good about 65. Let's order that next. After 65, I believe we're heading up here to 68. And then a 69. We have a 70. No 71s, but I do see multiple 72s. We're going to write both of those. So 72 occurs twice. After 72, looks like the only number still in the 70s is this 79, so it would come next. After 79 would be 83, followed by an 84, 85, 87, 89, 90, and the last one, the greatest value in a set, 94. Whew! Did you get them all? That was a lot. All right, now we're finding our median. We're going to chop the ends off, working towards the middle. So 53 and 94 are the ends of our line right now. They both get knocked off together. If you want to connect them so you know they go together, that's also a great strategy. Next in, 65 and 90, both getting knocked off together. 68 and 89. 69 and 87. Working my way inward, 70 and 85. 72 and 84. 72 and 83, and I'm left with just 79 in the middle. So 79 is the median of our data set. All right, one last example. Dot plot we saw from the previous day. Same idea here. We're looking for the middle number. The beauty of having our data values arranged on a dot plot is that they are already in order. So we're starting with a 1, followed by 2 6s, 2 7s, 4 8s, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 9s. 1 2 3 4 5 6. All right, time to calculate the median. We are looking for the middle number. So 1 and 9 gets chopped off. Working our way inwards. 6 and a 9. See ya. Another 6, another 9. Eliminated. Working in with a 7 and a 9 this time. Remember, every time you eliminate numbers, you need to eliminate 2 at a time. You're chopping off the ends of the set, working your way into the middle. Next, a 7 and a 9 together. 8 and a 9 together. 2 8s, and we are left with 1 8 in the middle. So the median of this data set is 8. All right, here's one for you to try on your own. Calculate the median by arranging the values in order from least to greatest and finding the number in the middle of that set. When you're done with your work, come back and check to see how you did. All right, boys and girls, let's go over this. First, arranging in order from least to greatest. My least value is 18, followed by 20. And then I have a pair of 22s, followed by a 23, 2 24s, 2 25s, a 26, 28, and a 30. All right, so my data set is in order from least to greatest. Let's find the middle. I'm going to chop off 18 and 30 together, chopping off the ends. 20 and 28 are done. 22 and 26, 22 and 25, 23 and 25. Now, here's an interesting situation we haven't talked about yet. If you get down to where there are 2 numbers left, you can't chop both of them off because nothing would remain. So what you do when you have 2 numbers left, you're going to find the mean of those. You're going to add them together, divide by 2. So in this case, 24 plus 24 is 48, and 48 divided by, because there are 2 remaining, is 24. So the median of this data set is 24. Boys and girls, please complete your independent practice assignment on median. Take a picture of your work and upload that file for submission. Take care.